Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're well. So for those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. And for those of you that have already subscribed to my channel and have been following me on this journey, I wanted to send out a sincere apology to you guys. Now, you may have noticed that my channel has been kind of dead. I haven't been putting out any new content. I haven't been engaging, and that's the reason why I'm shooting this video. And I want to try and keep it short, but I thought I owed it to you guys to really give you some insight in terms of what's happened, why has my channel stopped, and why I haven't been putting out new content, and what is going to happen going forward. So for the last few months now, I've had to deal with some personal issues, and it's impacted other areas of my life, and one of which is my entrepreneurial journey and my YouTube channel. But having said that, I do intend now to continue from where I left off. Now, for those of you that are new to my channel, this whole channel is basically dedicated to documenting my journey into creating passive income, and one of the areas that I was focusing on was affiliate marketing. For me, it's really important that I realize that what's really important to me is being able to be not stuck to a 9-to-5 job, but to be able to control my own income on my own terms, so that I had not just financial freedom, but also the freedom of time, being able to spend time with my family, most importantly, and friends, and really not feel like a slave to the system. So that's really the whole reason why my channel was put together, was really to share my journey in terms of how I intend to create passive income so that I can create the lifestyle that I want. So I intend to continue from where I was, so look out for that content. But I also have been thinking about how I can better streamline my channel, how I can evolve it, and most importantly, how I can continue to put out high value content for you guys. Nothing is more important to me than, first of all, not only working hard to achieving my goal, which is obviously to create multiple streams of passive income, but to also share that journey with you guys, so that any mistakes that I make throughout my journey, I want to make sure that you guys don't make those mistakes, that you learn from my mistakes, and also just really to share the highs and lows of the journey of entrepreneurship, because it's not easy, in spite of what people online might say. I'm not in this to make money overnight. It's going to take time, and I am willing to put in the time forward so that I can kind of take a seat back later on. So that's the whole premise around it. So yeah, so that's really it, really. Like I said, I just wanted to put this video out there to let you know that I am going to start putting out content. My journey is going to continue, and I'm hoping that you guys will continue to follow me on my journey, and share the highs and lows of being able to create the lifestyle that we all deserve. We all deserve freedom. We all deserve a lifestyle that we're happy with. You've only got one life, so let's do this together. Now, I almost forgot another bit of important news that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's kind of ironic, really, because having gone through all of the stuff that I'm going through right now, just to add on top of that, I was also told last week that I've been made redundant from my full-time job. So I currently work as a sales trainer for a telecommunications company, and we were given and I'm in a pool of 20 plus other employees, and we've been told that we've been made redundant. And we can apply for our jobs if we want to. However, I've kind of looked at it as a sign in terms of, something, I could apply for my job, or I could go, into another full-time job, but is that what I really want to do? Is that where my mind's at? And to be quite honest, it isn't. My mind is, creating something for myself, being able to create the lifestyle that I want, and I know that I wouldn't be able to do that with a full-time job. So I've basically decided to opt in for redundancy, so I'm going to get paid a redundancy package. Now I figured it's going to give me about 3 months leeway in terms of finding either a full-time job or creating other ways of generating income. Now, I'm not going to be reckless, because at the end of the day I still have a mortgage to pay, I've still got bills, I've got a family that I need to make sure that I support. So my plan is, and this could change, but right now, bearing in mind that I am still going through the consultation period now, I think it's about 45 days, but I basically opted out this week, told them that I'm not going to reapply for my position, I'm not interested in any internal vacancies, and that I'm going to take redundancy instead. What I intend to do is basically find work, and that's basically, well, I'm kind of in two minds at the moment, because I want to find work, but at the same time I want flexibility to be able to work on my projects as well. So right now I'm thinking, do I work part-time? Do I take contract work? And do I take temporary work? The problem with part-time work, I'm guessing, and having looked at the market, is that it may not pay enough in terms of maintaining my financial commitments. So that's my mortgage, my living expenses, etc. So if I can find part-time work that's going to be able to cover that, then great. I'm going to keep that option open. But right now, what I'm leaning towards is short-term and contract work. So I'm thinking that I'm going to work as a contractor. So I'm going to contract out my services. So I'm a sales trainer. I work in sales, and I'm a life coach and a trainer as well. So I'm going to contract that work out and see where I can get with that. And then I'm hoping that if I'm doing that, depending on what that looks like on a weekly basis, I can do that for 3 months, and then also focus on my other projects as well, and that's i.e. my affiliate marketing, my YouTube channel, etc. So yeah, I'm still like going through some different ideas, but yeah, that is the state of play at the moment. I'm hoping that they're going to give me garden leave and pay me to the end of the month and release me, but I think I need to do a handover first of all. But if they do release me, then I'm going to dedicate my time to job searching and obviously working on getting my channel back up to scratch and start my affiliate marketing projects, and get that to the point where I was before. So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. Now the dynamics kind of change, because now what I want to also do is share my journey in terms of being made redundant. What do I do now? And I want to share that element of my journey with you, because it is part of that journey. Things happen. It's kind of a shitty thing to happen, but it's happened. But like I said, I'm taking it as a blessing, and I'm gonna take it as an opportunity. This might be the opportunity that I've been looking for. I've also going to be working on another project. I'm not going to say too much about it, but I'm certainly got another project which is an additional revenue stream, and it's going to be potentially going to be able to give me passive income as well, in addition to affiliate marketing. So I'm still trying to work out the detail on that, but look out for that, because I will be sharing that with you guys as well. Again, guys, I do really want to say thank you so much for continuing your support and following me on my channel and engaging with me. It is great to see you guys sharing your thoughts, sharing this journey with me, and like I said, you guys are what you guys are motivating me to continue doing this. Yes, of course it starts with me, but knowing that I've got support from like-minded individuals out there, it means a lot, and it helps me a lot as well. So I'm going to wrap it up there. don't forget to hit that like button if you do like this video, or not, but I'm hoping that you do. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so hit the subscribe button. And also, haven't done this for a while, but make sure you hit that bell icon so that you get notified of all the new content that I put out there as and when it happens. So guys, until next time, take care of yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care. Bless.